Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Glad you dropped in. Today we're just going to be making something simple. Nobody's coming today, so I'm a mom. I'm going to be making some quesadillas. You probably make them for your family. I love them. First of all, they're what you like. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of this. Just take your tortillas. Just let them get warm. I like these with eggs too. If you mix your eggs and just barely brush them on, put your stuff on more. So actually, it makes a good breakfast. Okay, now on this, I'm going to put my bacon out here. My bacon. And I am going to cut it up. It's a little bit easier to eat it when it's not in one long strip. And a little chicken. This is just rotisserie chicken. I'd rather have the bacon. And let's see, cheese. Maybe a little higher. Then put on what you want. Put your little tomato. Now, if you want to, you could cook your onions and your tomatoes. I don't like it that way, but now my children do. They'd rather have their cooked, sort of melted down a little bit. But I actually like mine like this. So since it's mine, I'm just going to eat it like this. Let's put some more cheese. Turn it over, and then we'll put some sauce on it. Okay, so we got it real brown. Now, you can put Texas Pete. You can put salsa. You can put taco sauce. Anything that your heart desires goes on it now. Take that a little bit, put some more cheese on. Okay. I think I'm going for Texas Pete. This is always one of our favorites. I do like sriracha, but have you ever had a moment that you have a day that you don't have Texas Pete in your refrigerator? I guess in all my 50-some years of marriage, Texas Pete. Okay. Now we're going to push it down. Do that one more time. Oh yes, good. That's our bacon, tomato, and Texas Pete. And anything else. I like a little bit of sour cream on mine. It's anything you want. That is too good. But this one is awfully good for children. And put the things that they want. Actually, you can do this. You can put marshmallow and chocolate chip cookies. Not chocolate chip, just chocolate chips. And marshmallow, chocolate chips, and I guess chocolate. And fold it up like that. And you got a chocolate marshmallow sandwich. Well, that's a little bit of my fooling around today. Thanks for dropping by. Subscribe, ring that bell. Enjoy the sunshine while we have it. And remember the joy. Smile at somebody and give them a little bit of joy today. Take care of yourself. See you soon.